Hi everyone, I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage and I welcome you to our Feed Your Passion Thursday. We're going to show you some different tote bags, some easy bags with kits. How easy can it be? The patterns that we're looking at today will be from Pink Sand Beach, so stay tuned. So here we are looking at a Pink Sand Beach pattern. Look how nicely it is laid out and illustrated. Makes making a bag a dream. So don't be afraid. Here's your chance to try it. One of the simplest bags that Pink Sand has is the Tuscany tote. Here it is, made in a beautiful batik. And look at the inside. All their patterns have pockets like this on the inside so that you have room to keep your things and keep them organized. So that is the Tuscany tote. And we've got the patterns as well as this is the last kit. And it's in those colorways. Beautiful. Navy, gold with the rose, I guess, accent. Pink Sand Beach are a pattern company out of California. It's a mother and a daughter, Nancy and Michelle Green. And always at market, they've got beautiful patterns, beautiful samples, and they do all the work and bring it there, and Dad does all the sales, and he seems to think he's the one that sells everything. So this is the Malibu sling, and the kit is exactly the same fabric as the sample. The kit is $82.99. I forgot to tell you what the price of this one is. $55.99 for the Tuscany tote. The modern clutch has a nice opener on it, and there is an optional chain inside. And again, there's a pocket in there. This one has a single pocket. This is a super easy pattern. Really, all you do is make that little pouch, and these glue on. But don't they make it look like it is so professional? So even a simple job like that for a beginner looks so professional. That's the modern clutch, $59.99. And it's in those colors, and it comes with the stones. You can put the stones on with the tool, or you can iron them on, and they stick very well. They can be washed. Okay, here we have another one, a little bit bigger, the Santorini handbag. Again, that same beautiful line of fabric. And it's got a zipper on the top and the same pockets on the inside. Kits for that are $57.99. Remember, the fabric, everything that you need for the sample or for the project is in the package. The only thing that you need to add is a batting, if there is batting in it. And remember, the instructions are nice and easy. This is the Key West bag. Pretty in blue batiks. And there's the Key West handbag kit. Remember, all of the hardware comes in there, in the kits. $69.99 is that one. It's a little bit larger. The Malibu Glam bag has 2 zipper pockets on it. Oh, sorry, I'm too high. I'm looking at the picture instead of at the camera. And it's a Maui Glam bag, and it comes in this color. It also has, do you see the hardware and the Swarovski crystals that are hot fixed, so you can glue them or use the tool, and it's $64.99. And the last one that we are featuring today is the Capri Carryall. Again, it has pockets on the inside, and it has a clasp, a magnetic clasp here, just for the safety of your things, and it is in this colorway. Again, all your hardware, the pattern, $61.99. Now all of these things, these kits are 30% off, and there are patterns as well. So if you've got fabric, if you still have fabric laying around in your stash, here's your chance to whip up one of these delightful totes. And when I started, you might have seen the patterns that we have. There are so many tote bag patterns. Some of them are on our website, not all of them, but we're working on it. We're hoping that by the first part of June, we'll have a new website with all the patterns on it. So we've also got the findings for your totes. And remember, this is what makes them look so professional. Often they are in silver, gold, rose gold, gunmetal, and antique gold. Pink Sand also puts out handles. So there we've got strapping. We've got lots of samples in the store. And by the sounds of things, soon we'll be able to see them in the reel. But in the meantime, you could probably whip up one of these. All of the Pink Sand kits are 30% off. There's limited numbers of them, and they're 30% off. So, thanks everyone for joining us, and I hope we've inspired you to create your own special tote bag. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.